Yo, podcast, what up? In this episode, I go deep into detail about the Bose Earbuds 500 and what it means for Bose and for earbuds in general, and where you guys can get them, and also what features and specs it includes. Also, it is expected for a 2020 launch, and I'll be talking about that and what 2020 and Bose have in common. Stay tuned, guys. What's up, guys? Uh, just like the noise canceling headphones, the Earbuds 500 are enabled to have Bose AR, and it, it is the company's audio augmented reality platform. They'll also have touch controls, a feature that the Sports Free does not, and it also has access to Google Assistant and Alexa and Amazon Alexa. Bose rep also said to us that they'll have stereo audio when you're making calls. The Sport Free has mono audio for calls. Apart from that, little else is known except what the price is. Hopefully, it will be the same as the SoundSport Free for 200. I didn't get a chance to even. I didn't even get a chance to try on even a prototype of Bose's other upcoming wireless earphones, the noise cancelling Earbuds 700, which the name implies features active noise cancellation and may share some intricate new features found in their over-ear sibling. They're slated for a 2020 launch, and also we have heard that in the past couple of days that they are going to be shipping very, very soon, within the next year. So stay tuned for that, and we will let you guys know what we think about it, and I'll give you a review. So stay tuned, guys, and we will see you guys on the next episode. And they're also still several months away. And that the QC35 will be joined by the Earbuds 500 and the noise cancelling Earbuds 700, slated for 2019 and 2020. So the Bose noise cancelling headphone 700 will cost $400 and arrive around June 30th. The updated headphones were one of the 3 new models that appeared when Bose quietly updated its website on Wednesday, May 29th. There are also 2 sets of totally wireless earphones, the noise cancelling Earbuds 700 and the Earbuds 500. It also implies that the latter are listed as anticipated to launch in late 2020, while the noise cancelling Earbuds 700 are for a 2020 launch. Bose says that the noise cancelling headphones 700 are much more than a product refresh, and that's not surprising given that it's dropping the Quiet Comfort brand name and completely redesigned the headphones. So after years of development, their website stated that they're much more than a product refresh. They're a defining moment in headphones evolution, smarter and more capable than any thing we've ever done before, and you'll see how the Bose noise cancelling headphone 700 can become an indispensable tool for surviving our ever increasing hypermobile world. So stay tuned, guys, and we will let you guys know when this drops. Stay tuned to the podcast. Stay tuned to our Twitter at csnakedoc13 and on Instagram at csnakedoc13, where we will give you guys the latest updates on when the headphones will be dropping. And we would see you guys on the next podcast episode, but make sure to stay tuned to our Twitter and our Instagram, where we would advise you guys of what the updates are and when the headphones are officially dropping. We would see you guys in the next episode. What's up, guys? Thanks for listening to the episode. Stay tuned to our Twitter at csnakedoc13 and on our Instagram at csnakedoc13 for the latest updates on the Bose Cancelling Earbuds 500 and 700, and we will let you guys know on our Instagram and on our Twitter at csnakedoc13 when those earbuds will be dropping, and let us know what you guys think about this podcast episode and all the previous episodes that we have done in the past. And we'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.